Well, today is gonna be an exciting day because I will be doing my first payout video in this channel. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung process ng pag-pull out ng payout with prop firms, specifically with my funded futures. So, titignan natin gaano ba siya katagal mag-take bago siya ma-hit ng bank account. And also, papakita ko din yung stats sa inyo ng trading account ko kung saan ako makakapag-pull out ng payout. So, this video is not to brag but to showcase to you on how fast, gaano ba kadali ang process ng payout. This payout does not mean that I am profitable in any way. Overall, I'm still net negative with prop firms with the challenges that I purchased. But with a few more payout, ma-reach na natin yung profitable stage in terms of trading prop firms. So hopefully, this is gonna be the breakout or ito na yung start ng tuloy-tuloy na pag-pull out ng payout with prop firms. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so kapag punta nyo sa my funded futures website, ito yung kanilang dashboard. Pupunta lang tayo sa ating payout. So this will be my first time too. So I'm pretty excited about this. So as you can see here, nakalagay yung date, June 3, 2024. And meron akong payout na 1,017 that I can withdraw. Okay, let's do this. Request payout. That's 10, 7. I wanted to withdraw everything. So gagamitin ko is Rise. And then ang email ko sa Rise is this one. I-blurred ko na lang siya kasi and this is my email. Ilalagay ko lang yon and then request payout. And payout submitted. Yun na yun. Nakalagay ngayon, pending review. Ang sinasabi nila for this payout to be processed, I believe it's 24 hours to 72. We will see kung gaano ba talaga siya kabilis. So as of recording of this video, 2 AM ng June 4. And yeah, let's just go over to the breakdown of the statistics of my trading account. Punta tayo sa aking stats. And as you can see, this is the account. Ang account na ito is 30K, which is an static account. So in-offer nila yung static account from time to time, no? So kapag nag-offer sila ng static account and gusto nyo mag-trade ng static, I think my funded futures has the best plan, pero medyo mahal lang yung static account nila kasi usually kapag futures prop firm, trailing yung drawdown. So the good thing about this static account is wala siyang consistency rule, wala siyang daily loss limit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung calendar days ko, yung mga profitable days ko. As you can see, last week $100 and minus 379. And then on Thursday of last week, on 21, nakakuha ko ng magandang trade, which is nakakuha ko ng $1,100 profit on that particular day. So dahil above na ako ng 31,000, my goal for this account is to secure the payout. So at that time, meron akong 31,150 pero bawal akong bumaba ng 31,000 kasi ang minimum withdrawal for this account is $1,000. So ang goal ko, ang mindset ko is okay, kailangan hindi na ako bababa ng $1,000, otherwise I have to stop trading. So dahil meron pa akong 150 at that time, said to myself, magte-trade ako ng micro. Plano ko talagang tuloy-tuloy i-trade yung account. Pero kapag umabot na sa malapit 1K, dapat titigil na ako. Yun, consecutively, 3 araw, sunod-sunod na talo. There was one time na dapat panalo na ako pero hindi ako nag-take ng profit. Usually, kapag mini yung tinitrade ko, agad ako nag-take ng profit dahil micro, medyo nag-focus ako sa PNL kaya nag-retrace yung price sa akin, which cost me to lose $96 on 29. Pero at some point yung balance ko nasa 30 or yung equity ko na nasa 31,250 something. Isa sa mga rule ng my funded futures na which is medyo concern ako na ma-deny yung payout ko is kailangan every week is meron kang trade na place kahit isang beses lang. Otherwise, pwedeng ma-deny yung payout mo pag hindi ka nag-trade ng 1 week. Kunyari, nanalo ako dito ng 23 tapos hindi ako nag-trade the next week. Pwedeng ma-deny yung payout ko. Ang concern ko right now is nag-trade ako ng mini dito sa week na to and dito nag-trade ako micros. Although tinrade ko yung system ko, sa 23 din nag-trade ako ng micro. Makita nyo dito dalawang trade, isang mini, isang micro. So I hope hindi nila i-consider na ginagame ko yung system nila. So hopefully tingnan natin kung i-approve nila yung pay. As you can see, now best trade ko is $1,200. The worst trade and average winning ko is 406 and average loss is $75. Total of trades is 9 and then win rate 44% and then yung profit factor ko is 1 to 4.23. So makita nyo rin dito what I like about my funded futures is makikita mo to. Futures prop firm na alam kong merong dashboard ng stats. Usually kailangan mong pumunta sa Trade-O-Vate tapos da-download mo yung mga history mo pero meron silang dashboard na ganito. Yeah, ito yung sizing ko as you can see. NQ, 1MQ, tapos nag-trade ako ng 3 micro on 22 and then 1, 1, 1, tapos 3, 1. So, nagtitrade ako ng MNQ from time to time depende kung gaano kalapad yung aking stop loss. On the next video, hopefully approve na to, and yeah, let's just wait for now and update ko kayo kung ano na ba yung magiging outcome ng ating payouts. Alright guys, finally, so na-approve na rin yung ating payout. So bibigay ko sa inyo yung timeline of events kung ano ba yung nangyari after ko mag-request ng payout. So nag-request ako ng payout on June 4 of 2 a.m. Philippine time, and then on June 6 4:53 a.m. which is 48 hours almost, na-approve din yung payout. It says your payout has been approved, account number, and then date, and then the amount, etc. and the email. Then after that, after ma-approve ng payout ko, right away in-invite na nila ako sa Rise. So if you're not familiar with Rise, ito yung ginagamit na payment solution ng mga prop firms para bayaran yung mga trader nila. And then basically open mo yung document na to, nakalagay dito yung contract, and then isa-sign mo yung document right after. So inaccept ko din yung invitation nila para mabigay nila yung payout ko. So right away after kong nakuha yon, inaccept ko on the same day. It says here mga 10 minutes lang after that, inaccept ko na yung invite. Usually kapag invited ka na ng prop firms, like hindi mo first payout, hindi ka na nila kailangan i-invite. So one time lang tong invitation na by that time they usually pay people already. So binabayaran na nila kung naka-invite ka na. Pero kung hindi ka pa naka-invite, kailangan mo munang i-accept yon. So hanggat hindi mo na-accept yon, hindi nila mabibigay yung payout mo. So after nun, in-accept ko yung invite nila on June 6 ng 5:06 a.m. And then 10:30 p.m. mga 16 hours, binigay na nila yung payout ko, and na-receive ko na siya sa aking Rise account. As you can see here, balance natin $1,000, 17.2. So i-withdraw na natin yan sa ating bank account. So since yung sa akin meron na akong previous payouts sa prop firms before, nakalagay na dito yung account ko, but kung wala ka pa, i-add mo lang dyan international bank transfer, and then lagay mo lang yung details ng bank account mo. So here, i-click ko lang to, and then i-withdraw ko lahat. So merong fee ang Rise na $15 each time na mag-withdraw ka. So in total, mayroon akong $1,002 na pwede kong i-withdraw. So confirm na natin to, and yeah, and meron yung security password para pala siyang crypto na kailangan password na hindi mo kalimutan. Yung sa akin nakasave siya sa computer ko. Nagpo-process na siya, and then usually sa experience ko, yung Rise babayaran ka niya mga 24 to 48 hours. So right now it's currently Thursday, so I expect this to arrive in my bank by tomorrow or kaya naman sa Monday, kasi based on my experience, alam ko hindi sila nagbabayad ng Saturday, Sunday. So kapag ang prop firm binayaran ka niya, it's not within their control anymore kung gaano kabilis yung pagpunta ng pera mo sa bank. Alright? Kapag nasa Rise na yung account, pag nasa Rise na yung pera, wala na control doon yung prop firm. So overall, naging smooth yung process ng payout ko. And considering the timeline, bayad sila right on time. I would say within just 48 hours, makukuha mo yung payout mo kung naka-invite ka na sa Rise. So dito medyo tumagal lang siya ng mga few more hours, totaling to 72 I would say. So around 3 days dahil nga hindi pa ako naka-invite sa Rise. And yeah, this is my first payout with my funded futures. If interested kayong mag-trade with my funded futures, they have discount right now sa expert accounts nila. So wala silang consistency rule, pwede ka mag-max contract, wala silang scaling rule. So basically, pwede mong i-withdraw kahit na let's say maka-profit ka ng 3K sa isang araw, as long as above yung initial buffer zone mo, pwede mong i-withdraw yan. And yeah, if interested kayo, just click the link down below in the description, and I hope there will be more payout to come. So yeah, I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.